Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Imran Khan. You can call me Mike. Today I am going to present my capstone project. The capstone project is based on React, Redux, API, NPM, React Router, Create React App, Redux Thunk, React Hooks, Redux Toolkit, and much more based on React and Redux. Okay, let me walk you through the code of my capstone project. Here you can see this is the linter setup. This babel.rc is also linter, eslint, rc.json, git ignore, styleint, rc. This is all linter setup. And the linter setup is according to the Microverse requirement. This is license, MIT license. This is readme.md. We will go back there a little bit later. This is package log.json and this is package.json. Okay, let me show you the code that I am really proud of. Here you can see this is the source folder, this is the public folder. Here index.html, and in the components you can see coins list, details, and mapbar.js. And in the Redux folder there are slices, coin slice.js and detail slice.js, and here store.js. Here is app.css that I have tried to follow the Behance design specifications thoroughly. This is app.js, and this is index.js. That is our entry point. Okay, the code I am really proud of is coins list.js component. Here you can see I have created a list of coins, that you can say cryptocurrencies, because my entire capstone project is based on cryptocurrencies, and I am using API uh, based on cryptocurrencies. Okay, here coins list, you can see the function coin list. It is dispatching, use dispatch, and it is using coins loading error, three parameters you can see. And we I have also used use effect hooks, and you can see here dispatch and handle coin click when user clicks on coin, that will take to another page. And here you can see it is the detail component. This is the detail component. When a user clicks on a particular cryptocurrency, that component is based on that particular page. Okay, this is navbar.js, and let's talk about API. This is the API URL that I am using. I am using 100 cryptocurrencies, top 100 at the moment, and I am uh, using create a sync thunk to fetch the API data. Okay, here you can see this is coin slice, create slice folder, and these are reducers. Okay, this is the code that I am really proud of, and I really wanted to show that. So let's move to readme.md as I promised. This is my readme.md table of contents. This is built with TechStalk live demo. Okay. I have used render to deploy my capstone project. and here you can see the complete readme.md. Let's go to the live demo link. Here you can see I have opened the live demo link here. Okay, this is the actual project, my capstone project that is looking live. When you click on any particular currency, you can see that it is taking you to a particular page that is coin detail page, as you can see. Okay, here you can see the details about that particular Bitcoin or cryptocurrency that I have clicked. Okay, when you want to go back, you just have to click the arrow and it will take you to the home page. It is a single page application, SPA, and I have tried to follow all the details and specifications of the Behance design, including color, uh, layout, each and everything. I think this is it. Here you can search cryptocurrency by name. This is the search button. This is the search input. Let me share quickly with you that how search works. So I have searched BNB and here you can see the BNB. When you click on that, it will take you to the details page. This is it. Thank you so much. If you like the project, kindly leave it a star and you can contact me for further projects. Thank you so much.